Hi, I'm CC. Create a sketch and draw a center rectangle with both sides set to 40 mm. Extrude the sketch with a depth of 100 mm to create a rectangular block. Apply a 10 mm chamfer to the side edges and a 5 mm chamfer to the bottom edges of the block. Create a sketch on the side face and draw a spline. Apply a plane at the end point of the spline, then sketch and draw a straight slot on it. Create a swept cut, using the slot as the profile and the spline as the path. Create a linear pattern, select the swept cut as the feature 2 pattern. Set the spacing to 20 mm along the bottle direction and the number of instances to 4. Create a circular pattern, select both the swept cut and the linear pattern as features 2 pattern. Set the angle to 360 degrees and the number of instances to 4. Create a plane offset 20 mm above the block, then draw a circle with a diameter of 15 mm on it. Select the top face of the block and the circle to create a lofted boss feature, then pick the block as the merge body's target. After merging, extrude the top circle by 8 mm to form the bottle mouth. Select the top face of the bottle mouth as the face to remove, then create a shell feature with a thickness of 1 mm. Click OK to complete the design. Open the Appearances library, select translucent plastic under plastic, and apply it to the body. With CrownCAD's powerful modeling capabilities, you can achieve your design goals efficiently. Visit global.crowncad.com to start designing.